At Orange 44, we believe the paths of the gamer, the modder, and the developer converge into a singular journey of creation and exploration. That's the foundation upon which we've built Creative Continents, not just a game, but a canvas, a universe where players wield the power to sculpt any world they desire. We're gamers at heart, and we stand firmly against microtransactions. Creative Continents is crafted to be as boundless as your imagination, ensuring that you'll never have to pay for an item within our world. Our commitment is to offer digital creative freedom where you can be whoever you want. Go wherever you dream, and play however you wish. Discover Creative Continents on Steam today and embark on your journey towards limitless creation and endless adventures. Because at Orange 44, we're not just building games, we're fostering a community where everyone is a creator. Creative Continents, your world, your adventure awaits. Available now on Steam.